Hello everyone, I'm Serena Schirm. I'm a peer career advisor at the Center for Career and Calling, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about some new fun things we have going on this year. So our first exciting thing for you is that our office is open again in person. So right behind me in the second sub, you can come on up and make an appointment with us at the front desk. But we are also still open virtually. So if you don't feel comfortable coming in person, you can go to handshake.com and make an appointment, or you can go to spu.edu/ccc and make an appointment there as well. So our second exciting thing is called Falcon Connect, which is an online networking platform for SPU students and alumni. So SPU students can hop on there with their SPU credentials and they can start chatting with alumni about their lives, about their careers. Very casual way to start growing your network. No pressure at all, and it will be a super fun time. So our office is also doing two very exciting events this quarter. The first is Resume Rescue, and that's happening on the 14th of September and the 15th. On the 14th, it's in person, so you can come on down to the office, bring your resume in whatever form you have it. Not started yet, halfway through, totally finished. We want to help you get it to where it needs to be. And then on the 15th, you can also come virtually if you're not comfortable coming in person. And that happens through Handshake, so make sure you head on over there and register first. So our second event this quarter is the Fall Virtual Career Fair happening on October 28th, and that will be on Handshake. So you can go over there and register between now and the 28th. And this year, it's going to look a little bit different. You get to cater the experience to your career needs. So you can pick whichever employers you want to meet with. If you want to have one-on-one sessions, group sessions, that is all up to you on Handshake. And you don't have to stay the whole time. You could stay for an hour, 2 hours, it is up to you. If you want to come visit us, head on over to our website where you can find our hours, and you can also find them on our Instagram account, SPU Career Center. We're super excited to see you all this fall and can't wait to help you with your careers.